Have you lowered your Honda Civic and noticed it doesn't handle the way that it used to? Does the steering feel loose or doesn't feel predictable through the corners? Lowering your Civic might look great, but what most people secretly don't know is that they're affecting their handling. Stick around because today I'll show you what's happening to your car and how to easily fix it. Let's talk about something critical that not all drivers know about. It is called roll center. Roll center is the point where your car's body rolls when going around a corner. The roll center position directly affects the handling and stability of your car when going around corners. Here's a simple way to visualize it. Imagine this cup is your car and the straw through it is the roll center. With a higher roll center, your car stays stable with minimal roll. When you lower your car, the roll center shifts, causing your car to tilt more. This is why you're feeling more body roll. Lowering your Civic negatively impacts your roll center. When you lower your roll center, you increase your body roll. Here's the catch. Most companies sell an extended ball joint to correct roll center, but this actually creates bump steer, causing unintended steering movements. Whiteline solves this by including specifically designed tie rod ends alongside with their extended ball joints, fully correcting the suspension geometry and eliminating bump steer. It is specifically built for the 10th and the 11th gen Honda Civic, specifically built in North America. This is important because in the North American models there is a 14mm ball joint stud, whereas internationally they use a 12mm ball joint stud. This makes the kit incompatible for international versions. The kit features extended ball joints and specifically designed tie rod ends. Together, these parts bring your suspension geometry back into the optimal levels and fixes your bump steer. So what does this do? It gives your Civic stable and confident handling. After installing this Whiteline kit, you'll immediately feel a difference. Better steering response, reduced body roll, more traction through corners, and significantly less bump steer. Your Civic will feel more predictable, safer, and more fun to drive, whether that is your daily commute or your weekend spirited drives. In short, if you've lowered your Honda Civic and you want to restore handling and driver confidence, the Whiteline Roll Center Correction Kit is the perfect kit for you. Just remember, this only suits the 10th and the 11th generation Honda Civic in North America. This is due to the 14mm ball joint stud. This is different to the international models which only have a 12mm stud and will not fit. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. If you want to get this kit and more for your Honda Civic, head over to the Whiteline website today and get grip activated.